Riri anyiti itemi sekta-ini ya githomo mathiete na mbere gwikirira nganja mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC. Minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha hinyiriirie ati gutiri undu gucenjia wona thirikari njeru yoerera wathani. Akiaria ri kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu, Magoha augite ni hari muritu maumanaga no cenjania wa thirikari no twarithia wa nambere wa tabarĩra cia thirikari nguru, no akauga ari na mutaratara wa CBC ndukuhutio.
We the Kenyan people will together move with our children so that we are able to normalize in January. It's also good for the incoming government to start with a clean slate.
Wagagu uyu wakiriirie riri ciatigara thiku ndare thirikari ya President Uhuru Kenyatta yehere wathani-ini. Magoha akiuria thirikari iria kuingira ndikahitirie ciana milioni 10 iria iri rungu rwa mutaratara uyu kwa ihinda riri.
The government continues, and I think with 10 million children under CBC, no government is even going to consider removing CBC. They will basically just try to improve it by trying to make it better in certain aspects.
Mwaka turorete ciana iria iri grade ya gatandatu igukorwo ikiingira gikiro kia junior secondary. Magoha akihithura ati gikiro kia 90 kia meharĩrĩria marutwo aya kuingira mathukuru-ini macio ni mariku.
And quite a number of counties now have reached 100%. About 30 or so counties have reached 100%. Here in Rift Valley, Nandi is approaching 100% maybe by tomorrow. And there are many others who are doing very well. We have less than 900 classrooms to complete, and we are at roofing or walling level.
Hindi ya kampeni cia kumatha utongoria wa bururi, President Muthure William Ruto na ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza yereire muingi guthurima weru mutaratara uyu kurumira mateta ma ngarama ya iguru ya mathomo kuma kuri aciari. Ihinda-ini o riu, Magoha ni arutĩire mukana arimũ anene a mathukuru ma muthingi na secondary wa kuingata ciana thukuru iguru rigie marihi ma cukuru makiria aria matanyitwo gugaikarira kigeranio kia mwaka uyu, akiuga urio kunyitwo ni egutacukirio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
There is a big school in Migori called Kadika Girls High School where tens if not hundreds of children were sent home to go and collect money. I'm now going to instruct as a CS, which I still am, with all the powers as per the Constitution, that those children must be intercepted and taken back to school.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.